After countless cruises, I've seen what really sets seasoned cruisers apart from first-timers. It's easy to spot who's new to cruising just by what they do on day one, and those rookie mistakes, they can make a big difference in how your vacation starts. These are choices that can make the difference between a relaxing start and a rocky one. From crowded hotspots to rookie time traps, even seasoned cruisers can overlook these sometimes. Stick around as I reveal 12 things experienced cruisers never do on Embarkation Day. Trust me, some of these might just surprise you. Hey y'all, I'm Evan with Family at Sea, where we help make every cruise unforgettable. In today's video, we're diving into the habits that set experienced cruisers apart from the newbies on Embarkation Day. We'll go over some essential tips that seasoned cruisers swear by, including how to avoid the biggest first day stress points, the secrets to enjoying a smoother, more relaxing start, and the little known tricks that help make day one unforgettable. If you're ready, I am. Let's go. Heading to the buffet the moment you board might seem like the obvious choice, but it's also what almost everyone else is going to do. The result? Long lines, limited seating, and a hectic atmosphere. Experienced cruisers know to skip that initial rush and either wait until things quiet down or head to a quieter dining spot like the main dining room or a specialty restaurant that's open on Embarkation Day. Or better yet, they head to the pool or another area of the ship that's going to be crowded once people have gotten some food in their bellies. This way, instead of starting your vacation with unnecessary stress, you get to relax. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later when you're not caught up in the buffet chaos on day one. Seasoned cruisers know that popular specialty restaurants fill up quickly, so they make it a point to book reservations before the cruise. However, for any reservations they couldn't secure ahead of time, they head straight to the restaurant to beat the crowds and get their reservations booked. This simple step guarantees them flexibility and choice in their dining experience without relying on only the main dining room. A bit of early planning adds variety to the trip and lets them avoid the hassle of hunting for available spots later on. Experienced cruisers always check the ship's daily schedule, and that starts on day one. Whether through the cruise line app or the paper copy, they know that missing this crucial rundown means potentially missing out on amazing experiences. From trivia contests and poolside games to specialty dining and Broadway-style shows, each day is packed with activities you won't want to skip. Smart cruisers scan the schedule early, marking the must-do events to avoid those "oh no, we missed it" moments. A quick review helps you make the most of your vacation and ensures you won't be kicking yourself later for missing that chocolate buffet or sunset yoga class. Want that perfect massage with an ocean view? Smart cruisers know the spot books up fast. While some cruise lines let you reserve treatments before sailing, others only let you make actual bookings once you're on board. Don't wait until later on Embarkation Day. Head straight to the spa when you board. Those prime spots like sunrise massages and afternoon facials disappear within hours, and you'll find yourself stuck in a long line of disappointed passengers with the same idea as you. So grab your spot early and you'll be living the spa life while others are settling for whatever time slots are left. Trust me, nothing ruins Zen vibes quite like scrambling for last-minute appointments. Want to spot a first-time cruiser? They've usually hit the buffet for lunch, then headed straight to their cabin to unpack. Seasoned cruisers know those bags can wait. Vacation starts now. Instead of diving straight into organizing drawers, they're up on deck toasting to their trip, exploring their floating home, or joining the sail-away party. The suitcases aren't going anywhere, but those first magical hours of your cruise, they only happen once. Take a breath, grab a drink, and soak in the excitement. Your clothes will still be there after the sunset champagne toast. And about that sail-away party. Seasoned cruisers know this top deck celebration is where the real magic happens. Live music pumping, cocktails flowing, and that incredible moment when your ship glides away from port. Sure, you could be in your cabin organizing socks, but experienced travelers know better. They're up top, tropical drink in hand, soaking up the party vibes and that spectacular first day sunset. It's more than just a departure, it's the official start of your adventure at sea. And those magical first moments, they only happen once. Think you need to do it all on day one? Experienced cruisers know better. While your ship is packed with endless entertainment, restaurants, and activities, trying to squeeze them all into your first few hours is a rookie move. Smart cruisers pick just a few must-do experiences for Embarkation Day, leaving plenty of breathing room to explore and unwind. Racing from the water slides to trivia to specialty dining to the evening show to the casino might sound exciting, but it's a sure path to vacation burnout. Remember, you've got days ahead to discover everything. Start slow and savor each moment. See that long line snaking around guest services? Savvy cruisers know the secret. Either get there as soon as you board before the crowds, or wait until after the initial rush dies down. While first-timers spend hours in line asking about dinner reservations or room keys, experienced travelers play it smart. Unless there's a genuine emergency, that minor question can wait until later on day 2 when the crowds thin out. Your time is better spent living the cruise life, sipping something tropical by the pool, exploring your floating resort, or getting ready for that sunset sail away. Trust us, guest services isn't going anywhere, but those first magical hours of your cruise, they're irreplaceable. Checking your valuables might seem like an easy option, but seasoned cruisers know better. Keep all your must-haves, passports, medications, electronics, and first-day essentials in your carry-on. Trust me, the last thing you want is to realize you need your medication or swimsuit and knowing it's stuck somewhere between the port and your cabin. Smart cruisers pack a day bag with everything they might need for their first few hours on board. That way they can start their vacation stress-free, knowing all their essential items are right at hand, no matter how long it takes for their checked bags to arrive. Seasoned cruisers never forget to switch their devices to ship time on day 1. They know that cruise ships operate on their own schedule, which might be different from local time in port. Even if the cruise line reminds them, experienced travelers make it a priority to sync their watches and phones as soon as they board. They've learned that keeping all devices on ship time is crucial, especially during port days, to avoid missing activities or worse, getting left behind. It's a simple but essential first day habit that ensures they're always right on schedule throughout their voyage. If you're enjoying these cruise insights, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop for more videos just like this one. And hey, a quick tap of the like button lets me know you're finding these tips helpful, which helps me create more of the content you want to see. Skipping the muster drill is a rookie mistake seasoned cruisers know to avoid. This safety drill is mandatory on every cruise, and it's essential for knowing what to do in case of an emergency. While it might feel like an interruption to the start of your vacation, on most cruise lines it only takes a few minutes and ensures you're fully prepared. Experienced travelers attend promptly so they can move on to enjoying the ship. Missing it can lead to penalties, and trust me, it's not worth the risk. Once it's done, you're free to fully relax, knowing you've checked off this crucial first day requirement. Now let me share one last secret with you. Seasoned cruisers know the elevators are packed on Embarkation Day, with everyone hauling their luggage and checking out the ship. Instead of waiting in those long lines, experienced cruisers skip the elevator for short trips and take the stairs. Now, I know for some of you this is not practical for mobility reasons, but if you are able to, it's not only a great way to beat the crowds, it's also an easy way to burn a few calories so you can enjoy that extra cocktail guilt-free. Plus, walking the stairs gives you a chance to explore different decks along the way. While others are stuck in line, you'll be on the move, getting a head start on your vacation. Well, there you have it, 12 things seasoned cruisers never do on Embarkation Day. If you're looking to make your next cruise more budget-friendly, check out the link above to my video on the biggest cruise ripoffs to avoid. It's packed with tips to help you dodge those costly traps and get the most out of your trip. And if you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know I'm helping so more cruisers like you can find these tips. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, smooth seas and happy sails on your next cruising adventure. Bon voyage!